Here are reasons why you must stop feeling guilty about wanting to make more money. Number one, growth creates opportunity. When your business scales, you are not just filling your pockets. You can create jobs, improve employee benefits, and open doors for internal promotions. Your team thrives when you succeed. Number two, profitable company equals job security. If you're worried about what your team thinks about large profits, imagine how low profits will impact them. Number three, wider community impact. Greater profitability allows you to contribute more to your community, from local sponsorships to meaningful donations. Your financial success can become a tool for positive change. Number four, the circle of prosperity. For me, owning a successful staffing business has allowed me to donate tens of thousands of dollars for children's charities. Your success can contribute to a ripple effect of good far beyond the walls of your company. And big number five, don't forget the fun, satisfaction, and joy. There is a big difference between grinding and being ground down. And a lot of that comes down to whether or not your business is profitable. So, if you own a staffing, recruiting, or consulting business and want to learn how to grow your profits effectively and responsibly, follow me on this channel by hitting like and subscribe, as well as following me on LinkedIn. This is Profit Dr. Ben. Be well and profit.